Sawadee krap and welcome to Osaka Kansai International Airport. Today I am flying Thai Airways in first class back to Bangkok. For first class passengers, you'll receive priority check-in at any airports. For first-class passengers departing out of Kansai International Airport, you'll have access to the Thai Airways First Class Lounge, which is located just below the escalator after passing the transit train. Later on, the lounge attendant will take you to the little first-class room. At the time when I entered the room, there's no one. The lounge attendant soon later picked up our meal orders and then served it to us right away. So I got the pork yakisoba and the pasta salad. Both are delicious. After leaving the lounge, I headed to the gate for my priority boarding. I believed the fact that the cabin crew weren't expecting me, so I waited a few minutes as they get the A380 ready for our 6-hour ride. After the aircraft is ready, the first-class flight attendant for the flight, called Pinung, guided me to my seat, 1 Foxtrot, which I then soon moved to 1 Alpha. Here at the seat ready for today's flight is 2 comfy pillows and 1 thick blanket with a pair of slippers.
Two strangers who've never met, 2 points on earth, reaching out to touch the sky, feel your soul's rebirth, finding an old face in a new place, know what a smile is worth, these hands that touch, notes traveling by, form a perfect why, near the heart that longs to make your spirits lift and fly.
These are the pillows I was talking about earlier, and the blankets, as well as the slippers. Also ready at the seat is the Porsche Design amenity kit, and finally, an Italian water bottle. This is the seat controls, and also down here is the remote for the entertainment system.
To make the world turn round, every smile return to you is a new friend you've found. Close your eyes and dream the dream of someone outward bound.
Soon my welcome drink arrives. It's butterfly pea mixed with lime juice, which is Thai Airways' signature drink. also served with some chocolates. Furthermore, I requested for these pajamas. These are the chocolates I was mentioning earlier. This is my canopy for the flames, lobster, tofu jelly, and nuts mixed with dry fruit. The table setup of this meal is absolutely beautiful, probably the best I've ever seen. My appetizer is this beautiful truffle pie served with lobster and truffle salad. This is very delicious. This is my mom's Thai main course, stir-fried pork with basil sauce, served with chili paste. For my main course, I have a medium rare cooked beef steak served with cheesy mashed potatoes. This was phenomenal. After the main course was followed by a plate of cheese, which I didn't select any because I'm not a big fan of it. However, this meal was ended up amazingly with the Thai tea ice cream with plating balls and a green tea tart as well as a macadamia pastry. This is the one of the two first-class lavatories, while this one is the bigger one. This is the lounge area where you can talk and interact with your friends without disturbing other people.
Some kind of like comfort lounges. You can order some drinks, but maybe not some meals. This is the area where you can talk, chit chat, do whatever you want. Without being disturbed by the first class passengers. Down there is economy. If you go there for like bar and stuff, you can start ordering.
This is my bed fully made in the flat position. This is the org kit they gave earlier, the noise cancelling headphones, the amenity kit, as well as the pajamas. Well, this is the content of the amenity kits, with some basic products like the comb, dental kit, and also the lip balm. There are also sprays. This is the business class cabin, which I did made a little tour. There is one blanket and one pillow over here, also with a nice little reading light, magazine, and a pretty nice large TV. Also storage bins are available here, as well as a very nice big windows. There are 2 USB power ports, and over here is the tray table. It's very nice and sturdy. You can also push it away when you want to go to the toilet. While in the flat position, as you can see here, the bed is a bit more narrower than first class, but I doubt it's going to be very comfortable on much longer flights. As you can see from this shot clearly, if you're a bit taller, like 185 centimeters, you'll probably be struggling in this seat, so you might have to bend yourself or sleep on your side. Just for your information, this is the Lacoste amenity kit been given out for passengers flying in business class from outside into Bangkok. As I return to my seats, this is my pre-landing meal, which is udon with beef, served in shabu shabu soup. This was very delicious to mark an end of a remarkable flight. Sadly, this is the end of my flight today. I haven't filmed the landing footage, but here we are at Bangkok Suvarnabhumi International Airport, and once again I have to thanks to the amazing crew and everything of this flight, which made this flight so special and probably the best of my life. Also, a little personal thank you to Pinum for such an amazing experience. Hopefully she's watching this at the moment. And also thank you very much for watching my reviews, and see you next time.